The iPad Air battery replacement guide brought to you by DirectFix. Fix your broken iPad with parts from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. Recommended tools for this repair include the iPad 5-piece toolkit, as well as a case opener tool, a pick-pry tool, as well as a large iPad case opener tool. Begin by completely powering off your device. Using a heat gun, loosen the adhesive holding down the touch panel. Using your prying tools, carefully remove the touch panel. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws shown in the red circles. You can now lift up the LCD screen. Remove 3 screws shown in the red circles. Now lift up and disconnect the LCD from the motherboard. Now disconnect the 2 touch panel connectors from the motherboard. Now carefully lift up the latch and remove the home button ribbon cable. Now disconnect the 2 small Wi-Fi antenna cables. Now remove the 3 screws shown in the red circles, allowing you to remove a plate covering the camera connectors. You can now disconnect the cameras and microphone. You can now disconnect the volume and power button ribbon cable. Remove 2 screws near the bottom of the charge port. Remove 1 screw near the center of the motherboard over the battery. Disconnect the speaker module ribbon cables. You can now carefully lift up and remove the motherboard. Using a heat gun, heat up the back of the case of your iPad in order to loosen the adhesive holding the battery. Using a large case opener tool or similar item, remove the battery. Now place your replacement battery inside the frame. With the battery installed, you can now place the motherboard inside of the frame and on top of the battery. Secure the battery to the motherboard with a screw. Now reconnect the headphone jack, cameras, as well as the microphone to the motherboard. Place a metal shield over the camera connectors and secure with 3 screws shown in the red circles. Reconnect the volume and power button ribbon cable. And reconnect the speaker module ribbon cables. Now connect the Wi-Fi antennas. You can now connect the home button ribbon cable as well as the touch panel connectors to the motherboard. Connect the LCD and secure the shield covering the connectors with 3 screws. Lay the LCD down over the motherboard and secure with 4 screws, shown in the red circles. And after applying fresh adhesive to your touch panel, fold the touch panel over on top of the LCD and secure to the frame. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to DirectFix.com now.